Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello, my name is Rebecca and I hope you're having a great, fantastic day. Now in today's video, I'm going to be testing some Collection makeup. Collection is super affordable and I love Collection. I love their concealers and their powders. I think they're excellent and they're very affordable as well. So I thought it'd be really nice to test some Collection makeup. So I have a Gorgeous Glow Filter Finish Complexion Booster, Primer and Illuminator. I think I got this free when you spent a certain amount on Superdrug. I think the offer might have changed by now, but I did get this for free, so I thought, why not? Let's try it. I got the extremely viral Collection Duo Blush, the cream and powder, very viral, so I thought I'd try this. I've got the Collection Lasting Perfection Concealer, and I've also got the Collection Blurring Powder, Colour Correcting Instant Blurs and Smooths Skin Powder. So I'm going to apply them all to my face, give you guys my honest thoughts about them. So if you guys do enjoy this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, please don't forget to subscribe and turn that notification bell so you get notified by every single makeup video to do here on this channel. Don't forget to Instagram if you want to, link is in the description bar down below. So if you guys want to know my thoughts on the Collection face products, just keep watching. Okay guys, let's test out some Collection makeup. So I have a base product here, I have a setting powder, a concealer and a cream and blush duo. Now this is very viral all over TikTok and Instagram. This has been very, very popular. So let's start off with the complexion product first. So this is the Collection Filter Finish Complexion Boosting Primer and Illuminator. Yeah, Illuminator. And I've got the shade Fair to Medium. So this is what it looks like. And it has a huge doe foot applicator. Okay guys, it's actually come to my realization that I've actually used this product before. I've got it right here in my collection. It turns out I've actually used this. So this is actually in the shade Fair, which is actually more of my skin tone. Now I have already taken the plastic off, but because this has been completely unused, I haven't touched this on my face. I actually will pass this on to someone else who I think will really like this. So because I've already reviewed this, I actually really like this product by Collection. So I'm just going to apply this to my face. So I'll quickly show you guys. This is not sponsored by any way. I did buy these products with my own money. But you can see it gives this really nice glow. You can use it as a liquid highlighter or a primer if you wish as well. So it's really, really nice. It gives this nice glow. Not so much coverage, but it does give a nice glow to the skin. So yes, I already know I love this product. This is really, really nice. Okay, let's jump into concealer. So I've got this concealer here. This is the Collection Lasting Perfection Concealer and I've got the shade Extra Fair number 4. So this is what it looks like. Now I actually have used this before, but it was in the old packaging. I'll pop a picture on screen here. It was in the old Collection packaging. It goes back to when I was a teenager and I remember loving that concealer. It was one of my childhood favorites, well, teenage favorites I would say, but I loved that concealer. And they actually did have the shade Extra Fair 4 back in the day and I loved it. And then they expanded the range and then they changed the packaging, so I haven't used it in a very, very, very long time, so this will be a bit of a nostalgia hit for me if I still love it or not. So let's give it a go. Let's just give it a go. And the applicator is absolutely tiny, just as I remember it. Oh, it still has that old smell to it. Kind of smells like, you know, when you get the little bubbles in that little bottle as a kid and you blow bubbles. That's kind of what it smells like. Bit random. But anyway, let's apply this. I remember this being really full coverage, so let's blend this out with the beauty sponge. I need to start applying my concealers more with a brush because I feel like I'll get even more coverage out of it, but it's still got some decent coverage under my eyes. I haven't focused it on this spot very much. I've focused it more here, but it's got some decent coverage. Oh my gosh, it's still really, really good. It has really covered up a little bit more around my face as well. I really like it. I think it's really, really good and I can build it up and add more coverage if I wish. So Still a great concealer, still feels great. I still really like it, still really, really like this. Now this, I'm very excited to try. This has been extremely viral. This right here, so this is the Collection Duo Blush Cream and Powder. And I've got the shade Seeing Double. So this is what it looks like. You have a cream product on one end and a powder on the other. So this is what it looks like. But of course, we all know that this is a dupe for the, I think it's the Patrick Tar Cream and Powder Blush. I'm seeing a little dupe just right here. Now, I was actually going to do this as a mini review because this has been so popular and viral. So I might do a mini review on this again. Who knows? But we'll see how we go. Anyway, so I'm going to start with the cream product first. I'm going to use a stippling brush. I haven't set my face down with powder. That is super creamy. Okay. That's pigmented. Hello. Hello. Let us buff this in on the other side. Okay, I'm going to go in with my sponge actually, just to kind of help diffuse the product because I picked up way too much. Okay, this is blended in really nicely. You guys can see how pigmented this is. Really nice cream blush. It's really nice. It's built up really well. It's got a beautiful colour to it. They did have like a purpley shade as well, I believe. They did have another shade as well. I'm going to set it down with powder now just to see if this pink colour shows through or it fades down a lot. So we'll put that to the test. So I have a pressed powder here to try. So this is the Collection Blurring Powder. And this is a colour correcting instant blur and smooth skin powder. So this is what it looks like. This is what it looks like in the inside. I really like all the little patterns inside it. It says on the back of this, light as a cloud colour correcting setting powder with a matte finish, blue, pink, green and yellow pigments help to correct dullness, redness and dark circles. I like the sound of that. Okay, so I'm just going to grab my flat brush. Right, I'm just going to get rid of my under eye wrinkles first. And we're basically going to see what's going to happen. Okay, that is instantly smoothing under my eyes. Ooh, okay, I'm going to do the same to the other eye. Now I'm going to take a big powder brush and I'm just going to set the rest of my face with it. Okay, just bring you guys a bit closer. You can see that that blusher, that cream blusher has definitely faded. So if you wanted to have like a natural blush of pink, then you can just wear that cream blusher on its own. I've noticed a little bit of blurring with the powder, not majorly, but it has set my face really well and it doesn't feel drying on the skin. Like I said, yeah, I can notice a bit of blurring, but not major blurring. Would I say that it's colour corrected a lot? Yeah. I'd say it's definitely evened out my complexion. I'd say it definitely has done a colour correcting situation, definitely. I feel like it's helped under my eyes for sure with colour correcting. It hasn't made it dull or anything. So, no, I think it's a nice powder. If you're looking for a colour correcting matte setting powder, then I think that powder might be really good for you, especially with oily skin. Right, let's build up the blush a little bit because it's kind of faded. So we're going to take the powder now on a angled brush. And we're just going to apply the powder blush, sorry, on top. Whoa, okay, hello, pigmented. Okay, I'm just gonna powder this down because I didn't realize how pigmented that blusher was. Oh my gosh. There we go, that's a little bit better. This duo is really nice. You could wear the cream blusher on its own if you wanted to, or you could wear the powder on its own if you want to, or if you want to wear the both together, then you can. But I can see why it's viral. This is a really good little dupe, and I think it's done a really good job. I really like this. Really like this. So I'm just going to do my bronzer and highlighter, and I'll give you guys my final thoughts. Alright guys, so my quick final thoughts on all the products. So this is excellent. It turns out I've already reviewed this already, so it's a great multifunctional product. You can use it as a primer. You can build this up to give it a slight tint if you wish, and it's a great liquid illuminator as well, so you could mix this in with your foundation if you want to make that a bit more glowy, or use it as a liquid highlighter. Really like that. The concealer, still a great classic. I really like it. If I were to use a brush, which I need to get into more, if I used a brush, the coverage would build up so good. Blends easily, really nice, still love it. Great iconic classic, still very good. The powder. Now this definitely has potential in the colour correcting department. It's really good. If you were to wear this on its own, or if you wore like a bit of concealer then set it with this powder, you could definitely see some colour correcting happening, because I love the fact that this is colour correcting to help eliminate those discolorations you have on the face. I will maybe have to retest this again just with a bit of concealer and powder, or maybe wear it on its own. But so far, really good. Really good. Super good. And this, of course, is extremely viral, and I can see why. It's a fantastic product. Blends nicely, builds up nicely. It doesn't over exaggerate anything. It's easily and blendable. You could wear the cream on its own, or the powder on its own, or both together. The choice is yours, basically. It's so customizable. So I like it. Really good. Really like this. So I really hope you guys have enjoyed this video today. If you have, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Please don't forget to subscribe and turn that notification bell so you get notified by every single makeup video I do here on this channel. Don't forget to follow Instagram if you want to. Link is in the description bar down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great day. Stay safe. And I'll see you all in my next video. Bye bye guys. Take care.